the youngest of 15 children. Most of them were involved in the theatre, but at a very young age she went into a touring production, which was Harry Linton's Hippodrome in the days of the fit-ups. And at age 5 she was known as Little Billy the Wonder Child. It was always her dream that the school would long outlive her, and I think that's happening. She was so passionate about it, it meant the world to her. She put her heart and soul into it every day that she taught here, and absolutely loved her students, and so many of her students have gone on to go into the business, so her legacy is living on through them, and indeed through me and through everybody here at the school. It's a challenge, but I grew up in the school myself. I've been here since I was 3 years old. I learned, I worked with my mum from an early age. I saw how she taught, I learned from her, and obviously then you develop your own skills and your own way of teaching.
I was a student here, so many years ago, showing my age, many years ago I started when I was about 9 years old, which is actually quite late. A lot of the students start at 3. My fondest memories are of Miss Barry being in class with Lorraine, the two of them teaching together. Miss Barry passed away a few years ago, and this is going to be a huge tribute to Miss Barry. Along with all the students, we have Samantha Mumba, we have June Rodgers, we have the incredible Hanna, who's a wonderful actor, and I'll be joining them as well. But it's just going to be a wonderful tribute to a woman who has given so much joy, happiness to so many children. Those that love variety, those that love pantomime, those that love musical theatre. It has every element, comedy, and it runs from the little children up until the kids who are 23 years old, as well as our guest artists. So there's a huge array of talent there.
The excitement is definitely building up now because it's only one more week to go. So we're all very excited. We're down here nearly every single day practicing.
I love performing because when you're on stage you just get this rush of energy with all the people looking at you and the lights on your face, and you just want to dance and sing your heart out all the time.
Skills that you learn here you'll probably use for the rest of your life. Manners, stagecraft, and it teaches you just how to be independent and look after yourself and be responsible really for yourself.
Most children love to perform, and even if they're not all going to be super talented, or everybody's not going to be blessed with a wonderful ability, but I think once they're here and they love what they do, they get a huge happiness from it and a huge joy. Everybody loves to do something that makes them feel good, and no matter what it is, and even if they were only to spend an hour a week here, they do get a huge amount from it. So hopefully creating wonderful memories for all of the students.